everyone, Sandy from Ida's Garden here today, and we're going to talk about raised beds. And so you can see that Ida's Garden is growing pretty well. The beds are 8 by 11 and about 2.5 feet tall. You're going to want to put them, if you're going to do multiples, you're going to want to put them about 2 feet apart so that you can easily weed and harvest and so on. So you're going to want to make sure that you put your bed in the sun, because most annuals, perennials prefer the sun, and you want to make sure there's a good water source. If you don't have a good water source, you're going to have to get that water from somewhere. A rain barrel, perhaps, if you don't have a hose. So you want to make sure that you look at the tag and make sure that the plant isn't going to get bigger than your raised garden beds. And you know, you can always put them on trellis or cage. You want to get in the habit of checking that tag. It's filled with all the information that you'll need. You can keep it in the bed, tuck it away, and it's a good resource. Another good resource is the local extension. Boone County here is home to the local extension, and they'll give you any information when it comes to what's best grown in your area. So really the only disadvantage is they can be costly. They have the frame that you have to buy, or maybe you have the wood and a handy person around. You want to make sure there's garden fabric on the bottom layer, then some rocks for drainage, then your soil mixture, and if you want to compost, you're going to have to put the compost as a layer on top, and then you let it sit for a couple months. 6 months is recommended, so that you don't burn your plants. So, okay, well, thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you at the library and at the garden. Okay, thanks. Bye.